This is in 7.4, and to do this problem, you'll need the data and the formulas. If you didn't get them from the previous video, please write them down. This is what I call the mother formula, and then this piece has its own formula. So in this problem, we're given the data. The number of trials is 3. The probability is 0.3. And instead of solving when x equals a number, now we're dealing with these inequality symbols. So how you need to think about these trials is these are our x values, the trials are. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this problem, when they're asking us to use x values that are greater than 2, we only have one x value that's greater than 2. So in this problem, we're going to solve for p of x equals 3. So the first bit is to solve this NCX factorial situation. And that's what I've got right here. So it's n, choose x. I just call that choose. X is equal to 3. That's what we're solving for right now. And n is your trials, your n. N, choose x, okay? In the numerator is n factorial, so n factorial. And in the denominator is x factorial times n minus x factorial. Okay, we don't have to write out 3 times 2 times 1 and 3 times 2 times 1 to see that we can factor these two things out. But do remember that that factoring leaves a little 1 here, and that's where that comes from. In the in the denominator, this is also 1. 0 factorial is 1. So this answer is 1. Now we're going to go to the mother equation, where you're just filling in all the information. We're solving for the probability when x equals 3. That's this part right here. This you just got through calculating, and we got 1 on that. And now we're going to multiply by p to the power of x, p to the power of x, or x, times 1 minus p to the power of n minus x, n minus x. That's why we have 0 there. Okay? Now, obviously this is a number 1. This term is also a number 1. Remember, any number, and this is just a number right here, 0.7. Any number raised to a 0 power is also just the number 1. So all we really need is this piece right here, 0.3 to the 3rd power. And if you have a calculator like this, I do 0.3 to this y to the x power. I hit that button, and then I tell it what power I want my number to be. I want it to be 3 equals 0.027. And in this problem, that is our final answer. It's nice because even though we had this inequality here, there was still only one x value we needed to solve for.